Good evening, friends. Showing you something else today. Diwali is around the corner, so I want to make something special for Diwali for all my Hindu friends and all those celebrating Diwali. I've taken a wooden coaster, colored it a combination of white and a pinch of orange. Uh, Drawn a circle here to place the diya here. So I'm leaving this much of space and decorating this part first, then we'll see about decorating this circle inside. So I've taken some air dry clay, rolled it out into a thick twine like this, measured the length from here to here. It's roughly about 1 inch. So make a lot of these 1 inch pieces, twist it around, twist it as much as it can be twisted. Don't twist so much that it breaks. Okay, so just twist it and then we start sticking it all around the circle. Okay, so let's get as many as these we can, cut and twist it and then start sticking them. All right, I've got 14 of these. Let's call them wicks for now. Okay, and got about 14 of these ready, cut and twisted and ready. So let's see how many we can put around this. Stick these wicks easily. So let's start with this. The twisting isn't showing much, so let's see what we can do about it later. Hope you can see these being stuck, friends. So this is what we've done. Let's move on to the next step. Got to press it down a bit, I suppose, for it to stick better. There we go. All right, so we move on to the Next step, I have a bit of this string left. Let's see if I can twist it and cover the entire circle. It's covering only one portion of it, so we need to make some more string. Let's do that and get back. Alright, let's stick this first and then see to the remaining part of the string. Here we go. This is how it looks for now. Let's do the remaining bit all around and get back. Done with this. I just twisted two strings of the clay and stuck it around, and stuck one single string here in the center, and these which I had stuck earlier, I just pressed it down with the mandala tool to get this pattern. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. I made these little balls of clay and patting it down flat into a flat round and pasting it here. Like this. Alright, so we'll do the same thing all around and get back. We are done with this as well. So now we start sticking these little sequences. I don't know if I can show it to you. Yeah, here it is, red and blue. Okay, so let's start sticking that on these rounds here. All right. I'm sticking only the red because the red and blue are not of uniform size, so I'm going ahead only with red. There you go, friends. Starting to look festive, right? But stay tuned. We are not done yet. There's lots more work to be done on this. So here we are done with colorful painting, made it as colorful as possible for Diwali, using all of Diwali colors: yellow, green, blue, red, orange, white, as many colors as possible to make it as beautiful and attractive as possible, because it's for Diwali. And yeah, so this has dried sufficiently well. Now what we need to do is, I've taken some clay, making 3 balls of it, and then sticking it here. Using some white glue. Taking 3 blobs of this clay, sticking it where the glue has been placed. Some glue on top of these, and here I have some wooden beads. Now this will be serving another purpose. It will be the legs of this tray or the coaster, whatever you call it, for the diya. So this will become the stand. We place the beads on the clay dabbed with white glue. Here you go, it's done. And we place a diya on this. Ta-da! So here we go, friends. A beautiful diya for Christmas, for Diwali. And yeah, why not? You can use it for Christmas as well. Light up the entrance to your house. Make more of these and light up the entrance. Why Diwali only? So here you go. And don't worry about this painting here. This was something I had done earlier. And using the same coaster, I've made this and this diya stand, this colorful one. Hope you like it. And this is how it stands. All right. This is how it stands. Not to worry about it. And then there's another one I had made, a square one. This looks just as beautiful and with the same legs. Okay, and here it goes. This is another diya stand rather, and you can make many more of these. Hope you like this new project of mine. This is entirely my own idea, and hope you try it out and share the project with me. Stay tuned for more such projects. Thank you, and please subscribe and share. All right, thank you, friends.